Oh yeah, nice and pretty. Look at that sizzle. Listen to that sound. I'm about to hit them with the bam, baby, bam. Yeah, buddy. I am C, and welcome to Everyday Living with C and D. And today, family, we are making pork chops. We're gonna make a special pineapple teriyaki pork chop. It's gonna be mouth-watering, tastes so good, it's gonna make you wanna slap somebody. It's jamming, it's slamming, and it's going down. So y'all stay tuned. You're gonna need some teriyaki sauce, salt, pepper, pineapple juice. You're gonna need a fresh pineapple, folks. And then you're gonna need some bone-in pork chops. Well, I prefer the bone-in pork chops, but you can use the boneless as well. But I want you guys to make sure you get some nice, pretty bone-in pork chops. We're about to get this thing started. It's about to go down with these chops, man. All right, let me hear y'all say chops, chops, chops. All right, so take your pineapple, your fresh pineapple, and I'm gonna need you guys to just chop it up. All right, or you can just leave it in the circles as well if you want to do that. So we got our pineapple, y'all can do that. Now we're going to make our marinade, man, and it's about to go down. I know you guys are ready. I'm ready. You know, we're about to have like a Asian tropical flavor type pork chop. These are so good. The flavor is delicious. It's gonna brown nicely. And for anyone who's looking for a quick, cheap recipe that's tasty and delicious, you got to try this pork chop recipe, okay? So guys, let's get started. It's about to go down. So you're gonna pour your pineapple juice in your bowl. All right, boom, bam. And then you're also gonna mix in your teriyaki sauce. So you can do, I'm just gonna eyeball it, man. Boom, bam. Boom, bam. We're gonna do that, man. Boom, bam, it's going down. You wanna get a nice mix, all right? And then you're gonna take your little brush right here. And that's it, baby. That's it. This is a simple recipe. It's tasty, it's delicious. It's gonna give you the shivers because it tastes so good, baby. All right, so go on and mix that up. And you know what? We're gonna put a little more teriyaki because you can't go wrong with the teriyaki sauce. All right. Now, what I want you guys to do right now is to get you some fresh pink salt, and I want you guys to grind it. I want you to get that salt that you grind because we want those crystals on there, baby. You want to grind that thing and just sprinkle a little bit on your pork chops. Yeah, like that, like that. It's going down like that. Yeah, I know y'all been waiting for this recipe. If you ain't eating this, I don't know what you're eating. Y'all need to stop going to the restaurants paying $20 for one pork chop when you can buy this whole pack for $7. So this is budget friendly for all you home chefs. You trying to save money. The inflation is getting to you. I need y'all to be making this. This is that teriyaki pineapple pork chop. What you know about that? Hit it with the boom, bam. Now we're gonna get our black pepper. Let's shake it up. I like the coarse black pepper, baby. It's about to go down, and we about to do another look. Bam, boom, boom, bam on it. Boom, bam. Boom, 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 bam. Can I get some boom bams in the comments? My wife is laughing. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna take our little marinade, and now we're gonna brush it across our pork chop. All right, just brush the marinade across your pork chop. Get that good pineapple juice on there, that good teriyaki. Oh man, it's smelling so good. Hey baby, tell me what it's smelling like in here.
Smells good.
You smelling that pineapple? Mm-hmm. And you know what? I'm just gonna hit it with a little teriyaki on my pork chop because I love teriyaki. Hey, drizzle. Drizzle it, baby. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it, baby. Yeah, it's a little messy, but hey, That's what these home chefs do. Sometimes when you making it pretty, hey, it may be a little messy. You can make it messy and pretty at the same time. Our meat is gonna be pretty, all right? So just slather it all around. You know what I'm saying? We got a griddle that's getting hot in the back. And of course, guys, if you want to, you can just put your pork chops in this and marinate it for a couple hours. The recipe doesn't call for that, but you can. You know what I'm saying? Put all of them in there, cover it, and then put it in your refrigerator for like 2 or 3 hours if you really want to get that flavor. But we ready to cook, man. I don't have time for that. It's still gonna be delicious and nutritious, all right? So brush it on top. Guys, look at that. And you know, you can use any of the different teriyaki sauces. They have the thick teriyaki, they have the thin teriyaki. Whichever one you want to use, you can use it and then put it up in your pineapple juice. So now we're gonna get ready to flip them over and we're about to hit the other side. Bam, boom, bam. These pork chops, you know they're gonna be good, guys. So we're gonna do some more of the pink salt, okay? And we about to sprinkle it. Yeah, look at that. Look how I sprinkle it, baby. So pretty. Hey, look at that. Hey, come with me now. Come with me now. All right. Then we got the pepper. Damn, baby. It's going down, baby. Hit them with the... Y'all ready for these chops? Y'all tell me what's your favorite cut of the pork chop. All right. I like the pork chops that center cut, and I love them with the bone in. Some people like boneless, but you know what I'm saying? It's something about gnawing on that bone. Tell them what you think about gnawing on that bone, baby.
My favorite part.
You like boneless pork chops?
They're okay. Not my fave.
Why not?
I like the bone.
What is it about the bone?
That's where the flavor is. Next
the
to the bone.
Is in the bone. Yeah.
Right next to the bone.
Sometimes I feel like the boneless, you know, they kind of feel like they fake, like they're artificial. Mm-hmm. Drop in the comments and y'all let me know if y'all like the bone in more or the boneless pork chops. All right, guys, and we're just slathering or brushing this good marinade on top. Cover it up. Yeah, that looks so good. I want everybody to say chops, 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 chops. All right, everybody, so take a look. We got a cast iron griddle here. Now, you season the griddle, babe, with some peanut oil, and I sprayed a little of the Pam olive oil, okay? And we have it on around 4, but we had it on 5 at first. When you see the little smoke rising, that's when you know it's ready. We don't want it to get too hot, so we're not gonna go no higher than, you know, between 4 and 5. All right, and then we're gonna get ready to put these pork chops on this griddle. We wanna get them nice grill lines, and we want that teriyaki pineapple flavor, baby. Let's get started. Oh yeah, nice and pretty. Look at that sizzle, listen to that sound. I'm about to hit them with the bam, baby, bam. Yeah, buddy. Boom, baby. Smelling so, it's smelling nice, y'all. What y'all saying, slapping? Hey, this slapping. I'm in here grilling, baby. I'm grilling and I'm killing it. Grilling and killing it. Going to get a nice video of that. I'm gonna pick this up, take it to the side and get it out the way. Y'all, now what y'all think about this? All right, we turning up the heat. I'm turning up the heat. If you guys like what I'm doing for all you new home chefs, I'm showing you how easy it is to make some delicious pineapple teriyaki pork chops, man. So if you're a beginner cook, come on, man. Don't tell me what you can't do. So we're gonna go on and slide a little more on here. I'm turning it up a notch for y'all. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this. Oh yeah, baby. Boom on them. So now we're gonna get ready to flip this over. All right. Look at that. Baby, you can't tell me I ain't killing it. What home chef is killing it like this? Look at that. Perfect grill marks on them. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, baby. It's going down. If y'all ain't subscribing to this channel, I don't know what you're doing, man. I'm gonna turn this heat up more in the back. Where's the back? Right here. So yeah, we're gonna turn this up to like 6. We're gonna keep the front portion of it. We're gonna control our heat on between 3 and 4. We're gonna go ahead on right now and go in and brush this side with the marinade. Yeah, baby, bam on them. Gonna brush it so pretty. Yeah. So we're gonna take our pineapple, put it on top. And if you have like the slices, just lay the slices on top, or you can lay the slices on your grill. Okay? Put it on top like that. Bam! Boom! Alright, we have our grilled teriyaki pineapple pork chops looking so good. Alright, we got a char broil on them. And then we also got our pineapple teriyaki chutney. Alright, so we put it on the grill. We got it a little blackened, so it's looking good. And now we have these delicious pork chops that, you know, are good to go. They boom, bam, good. Alright, this recipe is kicking and take like 15 minutes to do, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you like this recipe. Tell me if you tried it out. And tell me what you think about these pork chops, baby. All right, so thanks for tuning in for Everyday Living with C&D, and I'm C. Yes, sir.